How to add upload file field on your forms in Wix website. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. I'll show you how to do that step by step. Now there are two different methods and none of them are from Wix natively because Wix does not actually offer this. So we are just going to use third-party applications. So to get started, you want to just click on edit site. And then from here, we can just go ahead and get started with the first method, which is apps from Wix store. So there's one in mind, but it is not actually for free, and you may want to upgrade in order to use the upload file field. So I will show you exactly what I'm trying to say here. If we just go to add apps from our site editor here, and just search for form builder, I believe. It's going to be this one right here. Let's just let it just load in. It's going to be this one right here, and if you just go ahead and use it, it's going to show you that you can actually do the file upload element, but the thing is you actually need to have the premium version of it. So I'll show you. If we just go ahead and drag this down here just because, and click settings, and then from settings we go to form, and then we want to add elements. And then from elements, we wanted to add the file upload. You can see we have a star right on top of it, meaning you'll need to actually upgrade to Pro. So if you're fine with that and you want to use it this way, feel free to upgrade and just use it. And it's just going to be added to your form and you're ready to go. Now there's an alternative, which is going to be using another website that does create widgets for you. And then you can just go ahead and embed the code for it, which in this case is going to be Elfsight. So just go ahead and visit elfsight.com, like so, without the dash even. Just go to elfsight.com, create an account for free, and once you do that, we can just go ahead and go to catalog, where we can just search for the app we want, and the app we want is basically Form Builder. So just look up Form Builder and you will find this one right here. Click on that. And then from here, it's just going to show us a few different templates to choose from. Select whichever one that you want, it doesn't really matter. And then you can just click on continue with this template. From here, you would want to adjust the fields to your liking. As you can see here, we have first name, email, message, and so on. But we want to just add field. If you want to remove any, you can feel free to do so. You can adjust this entire thing to your liking, even like design-wise. But anyways, add field. And then we want the file attachment. Click on that. And then you can also do like a hint message, like here, upload file, or maybe image, let's say. And you can also have certain file types that are allowed only. So you can just go in and select that specified, add extension, and then you would want to add that. But I'm just going to leave it as any because it's less complicated. And then whether it's going to be a required field or not, I'm going to make it required, and if you want to show the label or not. Once this is done, we can basically just click on publish on the top right. Click on the plan that you want to choose from. Now there are going to be differences between them. You can see the views and how many widgets that you can use and all those things. So feel free to compare between them and select the plan that you want. I'm just going to go for the free one. And then you would want to basically copy this HTML code and go back to your Wix website, click on add elements, and then you would want to search for the embed option, embed HTML, and then you would want to basically paste in the code right here and click on update, and we can just exit out of here. It's going to take a minute to load, and then we can basically resize this to your liking. Now here's the thing. My background is darker and it's black, so it's not really going to show properly. But if you have if you change the background color, it's going to be exactly the same way you want it to be. So feel free to do that if you want. Let's see if I can just there you go, much better. Anyways, so here you can see we can actually upload files to our form now in our Wix website, and it is going to be working 100%. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.